No skills? No problem. Let's talk about how people are making real money online with microtasks. From home with no degree, no fancy resume, and zero experience. These are small online jobs that pay per task, some as high as $30 per hour. Stay with me, I'll show you the best websites, which ones are legit, how much they pay, and which ones are worth your time. Microtasks are perfect for side hustlers, students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone in a country where the US dollar goes far. They're flexible, beginner-friendly, and remote. No interviews, no long-term commitment. Here's the truth. Microtasks aren't get-rich-quick and won't replace your 9-to-5, but with consistency, they can help cover bills, build skills, or even launch a freelance side hustle. Many earn $100 to $300 a month, some more by focusing on specific platforms. Don't underestimate small wins. They're the spark that builds momentum. Your start is here. We're covering best platforms, high pay plus beginner friendly, what they pay, what kind of tasks you'll do, global availability, pros, cons, and warning signs. If you're looking for high hourly pay right out of the gate, then start with Respondent. This site connects real people to market research companies, and some surveys can pay up to $400 for an hour of your time. You'll find $10 for 5-minute online surveys, $150 for 90-minute focus groups, $100+ for remote one-on-one interviews. It's not passive, but if you have work experience, academic background, or opinions to share, you qualify. You don't need to be a genius, and just someone with something to say. To get started, 1. Visit respondent.io. 2. Choose I want to earn money participating in research. 3. Fill in your profile with skills, job title, or interests. 4. Apply to studies directly. Pro tip: use your LinkedIn profile during sign-up to boost credibility. Next up is PlaytestCloud, and if you're into mobile gaming, this one's for you. This platform pays you to test games before they hit the app stores. How it works: take a short qualification test, then get invited to test new games. Give feedback, voice recording, while you play. Pay $9 15-minute test. That's $36 per hour equivalent. Requirements are simple. Be 13 or older. Speak clearly while testing. Follow prompts carefully, e.g., test navigation, gameplay, menus. Warning: you must follow instructions exactly to be paid. Payout: via PayPal, usually within 3 to 5 days. UserTesting.com is another premium microtask site where you get paid to test websites and apps. You'll visit a site or app, follow instructions, speak your thoughts aloud, record your screen and voice. Pay: around $10 for a 20-minute test or $30 per hour equivalent. Pros: high pay per task, flexible schedule, PayPal payouts every week. Cons: you must pass screener questions, high rejection rate if feedback is unclear. Tip: practice with a demo test to avoid disqualification. Microworkers.com is the king of tiny tasks. If you're in a country like Nigeria, India, Philippines, or Pakistan, this platform is a goldmine for converting small tasks into income. Common tasks include drawing boxes over images, training AI what a tree, car, or person is, joining a subreddit or confirming emails, installing apps or watching short videos. Pay 10 cents to 50 cents per task. It adds up. Microworkers has users who've earned $500 to $1,000 over time, simply from repetition. Pro strategies: focus on 30 to 60-second tasks. Skip long tasks that pay little. Stick to 1 to 2 categories, e.g., data annotation. Tip: efficiency is key. Shorter, repetitive tasks can add up over time, but results vary based on availability and your speed. Clickworker is another microtask powerhouse. You can do tasks like image tagging, proofreading, transcription, AI bounding boxes via UHRS, Universal Human Relevance System. Pay: $2 to $8 per hour on average. More if you qualify for advanced work. Works best with their mobile app for faster task completion. Clickworker plus UHRS access gives you thousands of tasks that update daily. Tip: complete Clickworker's assessments to unlock higher paying tasks. Payout: every 2 weeks via PayPal or Payoneer. You're halfway through, And we've already seen platforms paying from 10 cents all the way to $30 per hour. If you're getting value, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment with your country so we can feature more relevant sites, and grab your free Smarter Job Search Guide in the description. Let's keep going. The next one pays weekly and teaches virtual assistant skills. Fancy Hands Virtual Assistant for Beginners, US only, hires remote VAs to do schedule calls, reply to emails, make online bookings, handle admin tasks for business owners, pay $3 to $10 per task. With practice, some users make $15 per hour consistently. Pros: weekly payouts to US bank accounts, great entry into VA work. Cons: tasks sometimes take longer than stated, limited work for beginners. Growth: hack, use Fancy Hands to gain VA experience, then go private on Fiverr or Upwork for higher rates. Appen lets you work on part-time and long-term AI projects. Typical tasks: rate content relevance, evaluate search results, transcribe short clips, help train machine learning systems. Pay $5 to $20 per hour, must invoice work with 2 to 4 week payout delay. Tip: choose ongoing projects over one-off tasks for more stable income. Warning: slow payouts not ideal for urgent cash needs. Great if you're building a remote work rhythm while job hunting. If you've heard of Lionbridge, it's now part of TELUS International AI. Same jobs, new name. Tasks include data labeling, image segmentation, search engine result rating, chatbot training. Pay: similar to Appen, $5 to $15 per hour monthly payouts via invoice. Microworkers has users who've earned $500 to $1,000 over time, simply from repetition. Pro strategies: focus on 30 to 60-second tasks. Skip long tasks that pay little. Stick to 1 to 2 categories, e.g., data annotation. Tip: efficiency is key. Shorter, repetitive tasks can add up over time, but results vary based on availability and your speed. Think of SproutGigs like Microworkers. It connects freelancers with tiny digital tasks like signing up for platforms, installing apps, leaving short comments, sharing posts or videos. Pay range: $0.1 to $5+ per task. Bonus: good reviews, better job offers. Want to make microtasks actually pay? Here's how. Niche down. Choose 1 to 2 platforms and master them instead of trying everything. Batch work. Do similar tasks back to back to boost efficiency. Use tools. A simple text expander or screenshot shortcut can save you hours. Track your earnings. This keeps you motivated and helps you drop low-paying tasks. So let's talk what not to do. Don't chase every task. Skip low-paying, high-effort ones. Don't rely on just one site. Diversify income streams. Don't ignore screener questions, especially on UserTesting or Respondent. Don't skip your profile. A complete, honest profile way, more job invites. Not every task platform is legit. Here are red flags to avoid. Platforms asking for upfront payment, no payout proof or unverifiable reviews, spammy emails after sign-up, tasks that require personal banking info. All platforms in this video are tested, reviewed, and payout verified. Maximize income with freelance upsells. Once you get experience, offer task-based gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. Create a microservice, e.g., beta tester, data annotator, resume fixer. Use tools like Lead Sniper to sell local leads. Package your skills, boost your rate. Let's do a lightning-fast recap of the top microtask platforms we covered. 1. Respondent, highest paying for surveys and interviews. 2. PlaytestCloud test, unreleased mobile games and give feedback, up to $36 per hour. 3. UserTesting, app.site testing with voice feedback for Microworkers. High-volume global tasks, clicks, signups, data tagging. 5. Clickworker plus UHRS, fast mobile tasks, search result evaluation, data labeling. 6. Appen, AI data collection, audio, image, video, part-time remote gigs. 7. TELUS International AI, chatbot training, search engine rating, image annotation. 8. Fancy Hands, virtual assistant tasks, US only, call scheduling, research. 9. UTest, test pre-release apps, websites on your devices. 10th SproutGigs, paid click jobs, app reviews, short microtasks, entry-level global. Microtasks pay the bills, not usually. Can they help you pay for groceries, build confidence, and unlock new freelance paths? Absolutely. The key is, start small, stay consistent, upskill and evolve. Think of microtasks as momentum builders, not magic bullets. Here's what to do now. Download the Smarter Job Search Guide. Free link in the description. Check out Fiverr, my go-to for turning microtask skills into freelance income. Explore Lead Sniper, a popular lead-finding tool many freelancers use to find clients faster. Comment below with your country plus the platform you'll try first. Subscribe if you want more no-fluff remote income guides. I just went through 10 plus legit microtask sites that anyone, anywhere can use to start earning online. Whether you're labeling data, testing apps, or writing product descriptions, this can be your entry point into the online income world. It starts with one task, then another and another. Don't aim for perfect, just get started. I'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget to grab that free guide before you go.